winter melon, okra, coconut milk stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veggie recipes and one of the most unique of the winter melon recipes and one of the most different of the okra recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the stew recipes. Today we are going to make winter melon, okra, coconut milk stew. The ingredients are 15 shallots, around 100 grams of okra cut into pieces, around 100 to 150 grams of winter melon or ashford, 2 to 3 red chillies, 25 grams of garlic, 25 grams of ginger, 2 tomatoes cut into pieces. Heat the pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the shallots and the ginger and the okra. Sauce the okra, ginger and the shallots together until the shallots is pinkish color and moistness residue from the okra disappears. Now put in the garlic, the red chili, salt, thoroughly saute mix. Put in salt to taste. Mix in the salt. Thoroughly mix in the salt. Put in the tomato pieces. Now put in the winter melon pieces or ashwood pieces. Mix. Mix in the winter melon ashwood pieces. Thoroughly mix. Thoroughly mix. Now pour in 250 ml of coconut milk. Mix. Mix thoroughly. And let the mixture cook for 10 minutes if in the pressure cooker or 15 minutes. to 25 minutes even in open pan. Now the winter melon okra coconut milk stew is ready. It can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final winter melon okra coconut milk stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the okra recipes and one of the most nutritious of the winter melon recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the stew recipes and one of the most nutritious of the veg stew recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.